I'm solving the more practical questions related to the accounting equations. So here is a long answer types questions. So it starts here. Here is asset is equal to liability plus capitals. So see the first transactions. So use the accounting equations to show the effect of the following transactions of Messrs. Royal Traders. So see the first transactions. Started business with cash rupees 120,000. So 120,000 cash will be increased on the asset sides. So right here cash 120,000 cash will increase. Simultaneously the capitals also increased by 120,000. Right here 120,000. Now see the another transactions. Purchase goods for cash rupees 10,000. So our second transaction, cash will decrease by 10,000. So what they purchase, the goods purchase. So right here goods, this will be increased by 10,000. Now see the third transaction, rent received rupees 5,000. So third transaction 5,000 cash will increase, and that will be added to the capitals on the asset side, liability sides. Now see the fourth transaction, salary outstanding rupees 2,000. So outstanding salary is a liability, that means the current liability. So right here the liability sides, here outstanding salary, right here 2,000, and it will be deducted from the capitals. This is a fourth transactions. Now see prepared insurance rupees 1,000. So 1,000 cash will decrease. Cash will decrease. Prepared insurance, and here prepared expenses, right here 1,000 increase. Now see the sixth transaction, received interest rupees 700. So cash will increase by 700 and on the asset sides, and the liability sides the 700 included in capitals. Now see the seventh transaction, sold goods for cash costing rupees 5,000 but sell at 7,000. So 7,000 cash will increase here on the asset sides, and costing was the 5,000. So goods here 5,000 will deduct from the goods. So 7,000 minus 5,000. So 2,000 is your profit. 2,000 is your profit. So it will be added to the capitals. 2,000. Now see the last transactions 8. Goods destroyed by fires rupees 500. So when the goods is destroyed by fires, it will be deducted from the purchase accounts. So goods destroyed, so right here 500 deduct, and that will also decrease the capitals. Now add both sides here. So cash remaining is 100 21,700 plus goods remaining is 4,500 plus prepaid expenses is 1,000. So total asset is 127,200. Now see the liability sides. Outstanding expenses is 2,000 plus 20, that will be 125,200. So total is 127,200. So see how the effect of the transactions on the balance sheets as per the accounting equation. So you can understand here that then the new accounting equation is 127,200 assets is equal to the liability is 127,200 is equals, both the side is equals. Now see the another transactions. Show the effect of the following transaction on assets, liability and capitals through accounting equations. So here I write the accounting equation: asset is equal to liability plus capitals. So right here first transactions, what we said, started business with cash rupees 120,000. So cash is 120,000 will increase. Simultaneously the capital also increase by 120,000. This is the liability sides. Now see the second transaction. Rent received 10,000. So cash will increase by 10,000. This side asset sides, and also capital will increase by 10,000. Now invested in shares. So right here this side shares. Right here shares. Shares is also the financial capital. So how much is your shares purchased? That means invested 50,000. But it will deduct the cash on the asset sides. Now fourth transactions. Received dividend rupees 5,000. So dividend is a portion of profit which is distributed among the shareholders as a profit. So the dividend will increase the 5,000 cash, and it also increase the capital of the proprietors. Now see, purchase goods on credit from Ragini rupees 35,000. The fifth numbers. So purchase goods. Right here goods. How much? 35,000. And this purchase from the credit with the creditor will increase by 35,000. Now see sixth transactions. Paid cash for household expenses. So household expenses 7,000 cash will decrease, and business entity is separate from the owners. So 7,000 capitals, 7,000 deducted from the capitals. Now see the sixth transactions. Paid cash, this one over. Sold goods for cash 14,000. 14,000. So cash will increase by 14,000 and goods will deducted 10,000, that will decrease, and 4,000 is a profit. So right here 4,000 that will included in capital. Now see the 8 transaction. Cash paid to Ragini rupees 35,000. So cash 35,000 will deducted, and also Ragini, we paid to Ragini, so 35,000 deducted from this. So here is creditor, so when we paid that, then it will be deducted, so it will be 0, the creditor will be 0. Now see the last transactions. Deposit into bank rupees 20,000. So here is cash will decrease by 20,000 and right here bank will increase by 20,000. Now add both the sides to check the accounting equations, how the transaction affect the accounting equation, also the balance sheets. So new accounting we will check all the items. Cash is remaining 37,000 plus shares 50,000 plus goods is remaining 25,000 plus bank is 20,000. So total asset is 132,000 assets, and liability side, see this is a nil, 35 minus 35 nil, and capital is 132,000. So you can see the new accounting equation is 132,000 asset is equal to the 132,000. So both the side is equal. So you can see the how each and every transaction affect the accounting equations, and also the balance sheet, how the every transactions change the accounting equations, and finally you will get the accounting equations, and the balance sheet is equal, asset is equal to the liability. So for these types of questions I am solving the one by one, so better you just subscribe my channels to understand the basic concept of accounting equations. Please subscribe for more video and updates.